Hi everyone, good day wherever you are watching this right now. My name is Ifajimi Fakayode. If you are watching for the first time, I'm a spiritualist, I'm a traditional consultant and a traditional herbalist. So this is a spiritual channel we use for spiritual lectures, spiritual guide tips and all of that. Previously, I've shared a lot of videos you can watch, you can learn and a lot of lectures that can guide you through your spiritual journey. Today, I want to discuss with you the benefit of onions. I used to say that there's a lot of usefulness in most of things God created, and here is one of it I'm sharing with you today. So, but before we go to that, if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe and share this video, like and share this video with your friends and family so that they will also benefit from this. Actually, someone asked for a cleansing, and I promised to share a very working and confirmed cleansing. So I promise, and here today I'm making this video to help everyone that will be watching this right now and people that will watch later. It's what we call spiritual cleansing. Maybe you were told you are having your ways being blocked, you are having promise and failed, you are having bad dreams, you are having some kind of spiritual setbacks. So things are not going smoothly for you, and you feel like there's a blockages on your way, on your way to the success. Here is the solution for you. So all you are going to get for this is just an onion. You go to the market and buy an onion. But unfortunately, it's not just any onion. We have different types of onion. But for this particular tip today, you are going to need white onion. White onion. So when you go to the market where they are selling onions, you will see the red onion. This is the red onion. This is the common one. But for this particular tip, you are going to get the white onions. So you can see these two. So they are the common onions we have. Here is the white and here is the red ones. But you must use this white one. So it is more spiritual valuable than the red ones. I'll discuss that in this video today. So make sure you get the white onion, something like this. That's all you need. The second item for this video today is a soap. So you are going to get a soap, any soap of your choice, either white soap, log soap, or the local soap, which we call oshedudu. So if you cannot get this kind of local soap we buy around, you can also use white soaps. So you can use any soap of your choices just to do this. And the last items is the broom. So you go and get a broom, something like this. You get a broom. So the one you have used to sweep already, the one that has been used, the one just the new broom. So the broom you are using in the house. So you go and get something like this, the broom that you've used to sweep the floor. So, but if you cannot get the one that you've used to, you can go to the market, buy a new broom, then use it to sweep the floor for some minutes. Then it is ready. How are you going to need it? Actually, you are not going to use all of this. This is what we need from this broom. The edges of this broom, you will cut it. You will find a knife, a cutlass or anything to cut all the edges of this broom. All the edges of this broom, you cut it, everything, you cut it out. The remaining one, you can be using it or throw it away. So this is what we need, the edge of this broom. So the edge of this broom, this is the bottom of the broom and this is the edge. So we need the edge of this broom like this. So that's what we need for this tip. So that's the last item. And how are you going to do it? After getting all of these materials, you will find the mortar and pestle or maybe your grinding stone. You will grind the onion. So it's better to use mortar and pestle, something we use in the kitchen, or the normal mortar and pestle. You will grind the onion very well. The white onion works better. We've never tried the red onion to see if it works also, but for this tip, whenever we want to do it, we normally use white onions. White onions, in comparison, white onion has a very many spiritual values more than the red onions. So but we are going to, although they may look the same, they are the same onion. So but there are some spiritual values in them that make them different. So white onions is very much better. So in a situation whereby you are told to use an onion for a spiritual works, and then you have the option to both of the onions, that is white and the red onion. It will be better if you use the white ones. They has a lot of spiritual values and impact. After grinding them very well, after grinding the stuff very well, the onions very well, you add your soap. You add the soap, grind it, mix it with the soap. After mixing it with the soap, now the edges of the broom you cut, you will put it inside a plastic or a calabash or a pot, just anything to put the soap. So you will put all the edges of the broom you cut inside that calabash or inside a plastic like this, inside a plastic like this, something like this. So you firstly put the edges of the brooms you cut, and then you now put the soap you mix with the onions and the soap. You put it on the edges of the soap. You let it be on top. So you let the soap be on top of that broom. So you will then cover it and keep it somewhere for like 3 days. So then you will be using it to bath in the night or early in the morning, starting from 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. in the morning. So that's the usage. That's how you'll be using it. So, but whenever you use it, you must be throwing away the sponge. So whenever you want to use it next time, you buy a new sponge. So that's it. And for this particular tip, when the soap finished, then the broom inside, you go and burn it. You go and throw it away. You don't need the stuff inside the plastic again. So once the soap finish, then you go and throw away the broom inside of here. You throw away into the dustbin. You can bury it, you can throw it away, you can burn it and all of that. So it is very working. And if you are having all those problems I mentioned earlier, this is going to help you. We've tested this many times, and I feel like sharing it with you. So thank you for watching. Next time I'll be sharing another great tip. Like, subscribe, share this video for more. Thank you.